I'd like to welcome everybody to the channel update as well as the 50th video on the channel here. If you've been with me through all 50 videos, I appreciate it. It's broke 200 subs the other day and I'm kind of humbled by that. Never thought I would even get one or two, honestly. Not really a big social media person. Just putting some stuff out there. Hopefully I can help some people along the way. Kind of like to do the same things I like to do. But I really do appreciate that as far as old subscribers and new subscribers. Thank you very much. But just jumping right into the channel update. The channel update as far as the car is concerned and the channel is concerned. In the ups and downs of lack of Subaru content, occasionally you might see a video about the bike here, the MT-09. That's just when I hit a lull with the Subaru content. But hopefully the Subaru content will stay up. Pretty much have something going on all the time with it now. As far as the build plans go for 2021, plan to be at least stage 3 by September. Boxer Fest is what I'm hoping for. I've already got some parts here. Got some parts on ordered. The parts are kind of hard to come by. It's kind of odd that some of the stuff's out of stock. And of course, it's that time of year. It's coming up on tax season, this, that, and the other. You know, I'm not sponsored or anything like that, so all the parts that I'm going to buy and put on are going to be parts that from companies that I've dealt with in the past and that I hold in high regard for quality. As far as tuning goes, we plan to do flex fuel, E85 almost exclusively. I got an E85 station about 5 minutes from the house here, so I can run straight E85, no problem there. I am going to get a pump gas 93 tune also, just in case, but plan on going to IAG to get it tuned. So that's about a 5-hour trip for me. So I'll be running off-the-shelf maps for pretty much stage 1, stage 2. And then when we go to put the fuel system and everything on it, then we'll go for a tune afterwards. And that'll be after we do the headers and stuff and all that too. So that's my plan as far as tuning the car goes. That's about it. Like I say, we plan to be stage 3 by September. After that point, it's kind of one of those scenarios with the EJ over here. It's kind of like Rocky and Ivan Drago. If he dies, he dies. So if we blow it up, we'll just start to rebuild. My end goal for the car, power-wise, I don't want it to be a highway pull car or anything like that. I myself would love to have to be probably 450 wheel horse. I like a lot of mid-range. I'm not a big top-end person. I will say this. The rumble is going to go away because I'm going to put some equal length headers on it. That's for efficiency, reliability. I've just already gotten to that point that I'm going to do equal length, no questions asked there. But I'd like for it, you know, to be mostly mid-range, good mountain car. Honestly, I'd like to do a sequential transmission. That's probably way down the road. Just, I don't know, just have fun with it. And like I say, if we blow it up, oh well, we'll just fix it, start over, and go from there. You know, it's what I'm trying to keep the Subaru content rolling. Going to have installs, unboxings, you know, stuff like that. The unboxing stuff's kind of new to me. Never really done any of that. Don't know how exciting that will be for anybody, but just kind of let y'all know what you're getting based upon some of the parts I buy. If anybody has any ideas that you want me to do, I'll be more than happy to try to take care of that for you. Just let me know. I'd like to end up doing some track days later on. Really like to get the bike out there on track day. That'd be kind of fun. The closest one to me, I think, is Summit Point. It's about 4 hours away, and I've even got VIR in Virginia that's about 4 hours away, so I'm kind of in the middle of nowhere. You know, I've had some people ask me too about going to car meets, stuff like that, and be honest, here where I live, car meets for our style of cars, pretty well non-existent. Now, if it was a classic, yeah, they have some get-togethers every now and then, but don't really see those guys appreciate me rolling up in a 19 STI, but they got their classic muscle cars all out there. It'd be kind of funny at best. But on a side note, this is completely random. Some of you have probably noticed that I have a copious amount of country music in the background in my videos, and it's due to these stupid lights. The ballast in them just hums, so I have to cover it with background music, and the only thing that fits my accent and voice is country music, so I think it just kind of goes hand in hand. Not a real big country fan, it just kind of goes with the way I talk, so it's just fitting, but these things just hum, so I'd really like to upgrade those if I could to some LEDs. But that was just a complete side note tangent. If you like the video, please leave a like, and we'll catch you in the next one.